Hello guys, welcome to Insa Electronics. So what you're looking at the screen right now is another night light from my attic collection. So let me just turn on the main light right here. So as you can see, this is a really nice looking light still in the package, and just like in my last video we take a look at this one. I also found this one from my attic, and I should attach the video in the I button right here, up here. So comparing this, in my last video I said this one is not having any wattage rating at all, but this one has a wattage rating of 2 watts written here, and comparing the size and everything, I'm thinking, and by the looks of it, I'm guessing this one is also of somewhere in the similar wattage. So let's keep that aside and let's take a look at this one right here. So it's still in the packaging, and you can see there is no date code. That's what I'm looking for. There is no date code, and you can see this thing is really old just by looking at the plastic. It's turned yellow at this moment, and it's a really good color. You can see it's not in the camera, it appears to be red, but it is not red. It's like pink or something. The camera is not picking up the actual color right here. This is something closer to what? It's not pink, it's not red, it's something of a unique color. I don't know how my camera is actually capturing that. Let me it's appearing in orange, but nah, it's not doing any good here in the packaging. But anyway, let's do the sap test. Oops, there's nothing, so there's no capacitor inside. So let's unbox it first. And it says this note right here. It says it's pink, but it's not pink. It says it's available the yellow, the pink, and blue color suitable for bedroom, for general life with no dazzle, blah blah blah. So this one is, they're saying this is a pink color, but it's not pink actually, and there is no company name or anything here. They're also marked the pink here also. Let me adjust the camera a little bit, okay? It's a bit difficult here to actually shoot. Yeah, okay, fine. So let's take this thing apart and see what surprise this thing has. So it had a sticker over here which is missing at the moment. Since it is still in the package, I don't believe this one has been used, because inside I can see the bulb is in pretty good shape. So let's take this thing apart without further, and you can see the connections are all exposed at this point, but it's okay because no one is going to pry it from this side once it is plugged in. So yeah, but still that's kind of odd anyways. And this one is also from the same time period, so it's really old, and that's what's inside. Okay, so yeah, we are seeing the similar kind of construction right here, similar circuits. And how is this thing attached? Okay, there's it coming out now. Okay, so that's the circuit out completely. So how is this thing supposed to come out? Is it connect? Okay, so this is, it's not coming out easily. Anyways, let's see. The circuit diagram is almost similar. It's not almost, it's exactly similar, but with the addition of another capacitor here. It's almost the same construction as last one. This is version 2.0. I don't remember what the other one says on the circuit board, but this one here it says version 2.0, and the obvious difference that I'm seeing is that this one has a discharge resistor across it and a transient suppression over here. Has to be a transient suppression, and the obvious change that I'm seeing right here is, in the last one we are having 2 resistors. Am I in focus? Yes. The bulb construction is similar. It has a 3-terminal connection, and the outer 2 are common together to form a single terminal, and the middle one is also connected. Middle one is the one that is connected separately. That's the case with both of them. On the other side, the middle connector is going to the orange one, and this one right here, this pink one is the middle connection, this is the outer two connection. So the obvious change that I'm seeing here is that instead of two resistors connected to the center pins, in the version 2.1, when the version 2, they're using one resistor to power one middle terminal, and then they're using another capacitor to power the middle one of this terminal. So I shall include the picture of the circuit board, the circuit diagram in the screen right now, and you can watch the video about this one to see the difference. If you have already watched that video, you might have noticed, you might have already got what I was saying by the change in the capacitor and the resistor values. But pretty much that's it. The gas inside this tube is what makes the difference. This one is white, this one is pink, so the gas must be something different. And keep in mind that this one is actually sort of pink. It is not the color of the neon light. It's not orange or it's not yellow, it's something pink. So I may have to look up what gas they are using, but yeah, that's a really simple circuit to drive a special CFL lamp. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in another video.